Hey friends, Catherine here, just sitting outside watching the bees coming and going. This is one of my favorite things. I love watching the bees just hanging out. So I thought I'd share a little bit with you today. It's not an art video, well, unless you count watching bees as art, but I really love it. So I thought I would share something that I love with you. You can see there are a lot of bees just hanging around the entrance, not going in or going out as well. Those are guard bees. They're workers that have been posted at the entrance to the hive to make sure that no unwelcome visitors come into the hive. It's something that bees do to help protect and defend themselves. And this is actually the upper entrance to this hive. If we look down a little lower, we can see the lower entrance. And this gets a little bit more traffic. It's a little wider, has more guards that are needed to defend it, and also has more room for the bees to maneuver. This is June, so we do have quite a bit of activity going on at this point, and you may see that my entrance is still reduced. I leave my entrance reducers on year round. I might switch it over to a wider one or a narrower one, but I see no need, even on a hive as big as this, as big as Sticker's hive, I see no need to open it up all the way. I've got screened bottom boards on here, so they've got plenty of ventilation, and it just means that they need to have fewer guards posted, which does actually mean that they can get more work done. I know other people remove their entrance reducers during the summer, and they can. Everybody has a different way of keeping. This is how I keep. Back up at the upper entrance, there are two entrances on this hive. This entrance is actually just a shim with an entrance cut into it. There are 3 other honey supers on top of this at the moment, and the bees are not utilizing their bottom box, but I'm going to leave it there and open and available to them, because as they fill up the top boxes, they're going to need some place to move down into, and if they feel like they're getting crowded, they're going to try and swarm, and I would really rather they didn't. So I prefer to give them more room rather than less, and less space for coming and going. It's an easier thing, I think. But that's it today for watching the bees. Like I said, I know it's not an art video, but sometimes you just need a little something to chill out with instead. So I will see you guys all later. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, let me know by leaving a like. And if you want to see more things like this, and you have suggestions of things you'd like to see, leave a comment. And for goodness sakes, remember to subscribe. And I will see you guys all later. Bye!